Hey guys, welcome back to the channel to another video. This is just going to be a quick one for anybody else that's having issues where they're getting their grease guns stuck on their Zerk fittings. So here, I'll just pop off this little rubber cap that I have to protect my Zerk fittings so it doesn't get all rusted and corroded during the winter. And this is on my Tacoma. So this one's pretty easy to access, but I see a lot of people, they're trying to pull straight down and they're like, hey, if your grease gun's worn in, like mine is, you can pull straight down and get it off pretty easy. Or if you're in like a really cramped area, people are trying to pull it straight off. That's not the way to take this off. The easiest way is take your grease gun fitting, turn it a little bit to the side, and then when you get to the side, what you want to do is just twist. And as you twist, it'll just pop right off. Pull to the side, it's not going to come off. As soon as you just pull to the side and you just twist and apply a little bit of pressure, it's like magic, pops right off. So for anybody else having issues getting their grease gun fitting off their Zerk fittings, this is what you want to do. And hey guys, if you found this helpful and you want to see more videos like this, like and subscribe to the channel. And any other questions you got, comment them down below.